Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. Now within this video I'm going to replace the cracked screen on my iPhone 5, and you can see it kind of looks taped up, and that's because that's what it is. It's got clear tape on the front of it, so I could at least use it until my replacement screen and digitizer and tools arrive. So you can check the link within this video's description to find all the tools as well as the replacement screen / digitizer that I'll be using within this video. And before I continue, I must say that this video is not a recommendation to attempt this. I'm doing this on my own, and with that being the case, I expect to completely destroy my iPhone. So if you decide to replicate the steps that I'm performing, be expected to either completely destroy your iPhone or make your warranty void. So don't do this. But with that being said, I'm going to share this video with everyone so you can see what happens when I attempt it. So again, all these tools that you see here, they can be found within the link within this video's description, and so can this screen / digitizer that I'm going to be installing. And then this right here, if things go bad, I can just destroy the phone with this knife. And you can find this within the video's description too. This is a K-bar. Just a really high quality knife. So let's go ahead and get to this. Let's get cracking here and see what we can do. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the phone off. Now a lot of people say to take the SIM card out. I guess I should. But first I'm going to turn it off. So I'm going to turn the phone off. Anytime you're working with an electronic device, you don't want it to be on because you could easily short circuit something. So the phone is off. What I'm going to do now is take my little SIM card out. Now again, these tools that I'm using, they can all be found within the link within this video's description. Okay, so there's my SIM card. So I'm going to set that aside in a safe place. So now we've got the phone off, we've got the SIM card out. This little tool, by the way, came with the kit that I used to remove the SIM card. There's two little screws right here. Bam and bam, see? Boom, boom. Two little screws. And they got this funky looking, if you look at it really funny, or look at it really close, it almost looks like a star. So what I'm going to use is this tool here, and this is called a star. And again, all these tools came in that kit. It's a 0.8 by 30 millimeter. So we're going to do one at a time here. I recommend you do this in a very well lit location so that not only can you see what you're doing, but also you can see your pieces. These screws are tiny. So here's one of those. I mean, that would be super simple for a big Maine Coon cat like Sean Connery, the internet celebrity, or some other factors to come into play that would potentially cause you to lose these expensive and I'm assuming very hard to find components. So with that being the case, what I'm going to do, this little tray that the digitizer came in, I'm going to put my screws in there. And I'm also going to put my SIM card in there. And I'm going to put it out of my work area so that I don't risk bumping it. Okay, so we've taken those screws out. That was easy enough. The next thing we're going to want to do is use a suction cup. So this suction cup that came right here, it's got like a little keychain on the back. You're going to want to push it on the bottom part of the phone. So there's the home button. If your glass on your phone's banged up pretty bad, you probably should have gone ahead and put a layer of clear tape like I did over it, just so you can get, because otherwise you're not going to get suction if you've got cracks in the glass. Let's see. I'm gonna lick this. Hold on. Or yeah, I'm gonna lick it. Actually, I just put some water on it. Probably don't want to put too much because water and electronics don't mix, but that water should better enable it to stick. I may have to put a fresh layer of tape on there actually, because I'm not getting suction. Oh wait, I just did. Well, yeah, I'm probably gonna have to put some more tape on there. Let me see here. Yeah. So I'm gonna get a fresh layer of tape. And again, this tape is just to make that surface where I'm gonna suction flat. Put it right there. So now that's really smooth. I had individual strips of, you know, that cheap tape. Now we got suction. Well, we had suction. It's just going to take a little bit because it's going to come up from this bottom part here. Like I said, I've never done this before. This is a learn as I go process, and I expect to break the entire thing. But with that being said, hopefully it'll turn out more positive fashion. Put some water on there. Just a little bit of moisture from my water bottle. Now, if I can't get this with a suction cup, I've always got a plan B, and that involves duct tape. But we're going to try to get it with the suction cup first. See, I think this screen is just so destroyed. Came a piece of glass out of it. Okay, I'm going to call this the K-bar method. So this is actually working. So the suction cup wasn't quite enough force, but I was able to get the sharp edge of the K-bar underneath there. Now I just broke that bottom piece. I hope, yeah, we'll see what happens here. I have, like I said, expect to break it all. Expect to lose it all, so. Yeah, that just broke off. That's may not be a good sign. Ow. Cut myself. think that's the screen right there. Now see what happened. This screen was supposed to stay attached. So I got to get under here. There we go. That's where I want to be. And these are tiny, so put them somewhere safe. That little piece right there popped up. And then I'm going to do this little piece right here. Okay, so that's disassembled now. But there's probably pieces in here that I'm going to have to use, like the camera, stuff like that from the top. So what I'm going to do is I need to clean some of this glass up. So I'm going to take this phone right here. I'm going to get something to get this glass. Hold on. So I will need this this piece right here because it's not on this other one, the home button. And actually what I'm going to do to make it easier, I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it over to this piece. Wow, that fit in there. That was really hard to get that screw in there. Here's 2 screws. Tell you what, we're just gonna leave that screw is gonna stay out. I'm gonna just do a double check here and see. Before I close it up all the way, I'm gonna see if it turns on. It's turning on. But is it gonna work? That's the main thing, because I mean, I know that was, whew, I'm not too excited yet. We'll see if it works. It turned on, but my home button didn't work, and I think that's because I don't have it closed up yet. I don't have a SIM card in it, but I mean, at least seems it's turning back on. Yep, my home button does not work. So the screen's fine now. It's still got the screen protector on it. But, yeah, in the process, I broke the home button, so I have no home button now. So I don't know what's worse, a cracked screen or no home button. I don't know. So that's, well, it is what it is, and maybe if you try this, you'll have better luck. That was my luck. So, again, check the link within the video's description. You can find all the tools I used. You can see this definitely, and maybe you're more proficient with doing this than I am, but I was able to replace the screen, but then again, I mean, I broke the home button in the process, so I don't know. It looks nice. Too bad the home button doesn't work. But thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, youtube.com/IRixGuy. Y'all have a good day.